Good evening, everyone. I am Mukta Saplo, and with me, uh, Panna ma'am is there. She's unwell somehow, so I'll take over the session to today. Uh, and whatever she wants to add on, she will uh, definitely add.
Yes.
Okay. So,
Good evening, everyone.
so I am founder and leader of GG Ghaziabad, India, Mukta Saplo. And Panna ma'am is founder and leader of GG Surat, India. We are here to present today about Google Keep. So first of all, what does Keep means? What is the use of Keep? And I just want to start up with: have you heard about Google Keep? A quick thing. Anything which you
Yes.
have heard about Google Keep?
Yeah, I have heard about it. We can keep our documents in a very safe way by using Google Keep, and we can access it also and
Okay.
collaborate it also.
Yeah. Yes. Very good. Thank you, Manika ma'am. So it is first of all a quick we- way of note keeping. That means we need a notepad. Now in the digital way, we are just keeping our note in a digital and cloud-based format. That is Google Keep. It is attached with our Gmail ID. The second thing, it's free of cost. It's web based that says cloud. It works with internet, and it is also available as a form of mobile app. So these are the basic things, but we can do much more than Google Keep. Like with Google Keep, we can do much more things like that. So let's see. First of all, as we start each and every software or app of Google, we have to start here like keep.google.com in the Omnibox. So I'm just opening it and sharing it to you so that you can have a fair idea of it. This is keep.google.com. So we can enter keep.google.com in the Omnibox to open it. The other way is from your Gmail ID, like we have our Gmail ID, the Google Apps, we can click over here and the keep is here. So that's the same way. These are the two ways to open keep. The next is how you can open it is this is our Gmail ID, and now we have keep here also with our Gmail IDs. So you can open it directly here, start writing your notes from here itself. You want to open it, so you can open it and make it in a bigger format. So that is one thing, how to open keep. I hope this is clear till here. Let's move ahead. What work we can do with keep? Just a second, I am feeling that my voice is echoing. Just please give me 1 minute.
No, ma'am, it is clear.
It's coming back to me actually.
Okay. So, yeah, everyone, good evening. I'm not well, so I'll be speaking very less today. But as ma'am said, there are multiple ways how we can go to keep from our web browser, from our Gmail, from our drive, even we can go to keep, and from our calendar also we can go to keep. So there are and with Gmail you can do many more things also. Ma'am will just continue and I'll also go ahead with her. It's a wonderful tool to help us keep organized and or updated. Means whatever reminders you want to, you can just put it in the keep and continue with your work, and you will be reminded when the time appears. I think ma'am is facing problem. Thank you, wonderful audience, for joining.
Hello.
Yes, she is back. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Hello. Yeah, now it's fine.
Yes.
Sorry for the technical glitch. So, and thank you, Panda ma'am, for giving the update about Keep, as we all know that you are not well. Thanks a lot. So here it is, that how to open Keep. We have all seen. Now this is, we have these options of notes, reminders, edit, archive, and trash. First of all, to take a new note, just click over, take a new note, and the note is here. Let's suppose I just want to give a note as today's agenda. Whatever we want to write, today's agenda we can write here, and it's quick. We can give here, we have a session, then we have to make a presentation, whatever you want to write. In this form, you can give and just close it, and it's there. So easy it is. Something which, like, I practical use of Keep, I'll tell you. I have kept my class timetable, my own timetable here, and every time in a my phone is there. I have installed Keep in my phone, so no need to open anything, no need to keep any diary, because phone nowadays we have every time in our hands. Whatever things you want to make it, like we have to use it every day, you can pin it. Otherwise, what will happen, if you will make a new note, the it will go down. But if you have pinned this note, the pinned note will come up only. Fine. So this is creating a new note. Now you can create the labels also. Labels is as folders. How we create, it's a folder.
Yeah,
Anna ma'am, you
one.
want to add on something?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yes, yes,
And
please.
as ma'am said, this is today's agenda. She has put it in the numbers. You can see downstairs here. You can create this as a checklist also, wherein you can, once the work is over, you can pick it, and it will be getting cancelled. Just tick one
Yes,
box and it will
yes,
get
this
cancelled.
is, and
Yeah.
it is cancelled.
So this is how it becomes a checklist even. Yeah,
Thank
go ahead.
you. Thank you, ma'am. Then these are few of the colors which we can have it our color to make it at least change from different notes. We can change, there are few primary colors in it. We can change and have it somehow, like to make it appear in a different way. Let's suppose I'm just making it like this. Then you can drag and drop it anywhere. Yeah, I've closed it. You can drag and drop it if you want something to be come up. Then it's very easy to drag and drop also. Yes. Now the next thing is, I was telling you about the labels. This is, we have the labels. Labels is just like folders. We create a label, and let's suppose I want to keep my personal things, like, and school things, separately. So I'll just label it, or different classes things separately. I'll just label it class 10 done, and whatever my things are there related to class 10, I'll keep it in this folder, you call it, or we call it label. Now when I'll open this, then, like class 10, whatever notes I will create, that will go into class 10. Let's suppose I am your class timetable, and then you can give here first period is IT, then second period whatever you want to, or you want to give them some work or whatever. So it is in your class 10 folder or label, you call it. You can add it and create a new label also. Let's suppose I am just writing here personal. It's done. So this is my personal label. So whenever you want to search anything or create a new label, whatever labels are or notes are already created, you can shift it to personal also, add label, and then you can like the labels which are already created. So by clicking on dots, it is add label option, and I want to put it in a personal folder, and then it calls from here. It moved to my from my full lab keep folder to my personal folder. Clear? Then the next thing is new note with drawing. Drawing is, as we can write here, free drawing. Free drawing as it, let's suppose I just want to write here Mukta. My writing is very bad, but I have seen, Panna ma'am, you want to try? I have seen teachers writing very beautifully in this.
Yeah.
So yes,
Yeah.
and we have we have many colors with which we can write it. We have like we can write it as cake sessions or whatever we want to write here, and it is the handwriting is saved in our keep. We have an eraser, clear page, or an eraser to just clear that particular page. We have here different types of page stamp things also, square, dots, or rules if you want to write it in the rules page. So and then we have here new drawing, or if you have already created a drawing, let's suppose I'm just creating one circle or any drawing or freehand drawing, and then I can just export it as an image. So it will be just converted into an image, exported as an image, and it will be saved as an PNG in your, or downloaded as an PNG into your document. You can use undo redo options from here. So this is the note page or for freehand drawing. Any questions still here? I hope it's quite easy. Then we can insert any image. We want to write any image, we can insert any image from here, from our computer, from our, let's suppose I want to insert my launch poster. Yes, so it is Ghaziabad launch, and want to write anything written. Another thing is, as I have inserted this poster, I can set a reminder also. Whatever, like today, we are sitting at home in the evening, tomorrow morning, we want to set certain reminders that what all things we have to do in while when at our office, at our schools, or all that. So we can set a reminder also, so that the people, this will come up and tell you the reminder. You can pick up a place where you are residing, you can pick up a date also as your reminder. Let's suppose I just wanted to a reminder to be done, and reminder is set. Next beautiful thing is I can add any collaborator with it. So as I was just asking Panna ma'am to join me as a collaborator, so let us just, I'm just making her as a collaborator so that she can also write something on here. So when the Gmail IDs which are already there, it will show you there. Otherwise, you can enter the Gmail IDs of any of the person whom you want to collaborate with. And this is now Panna ma'am can also start working with it with me as a collaborator with editing permission. Yes, you can delete note here. You can change labels. That means from you want to move it from one folder to another. From class 10, you want to move it to the personal folder. It's moved. Then we can show checkboxes already we have made, and you can copy it into a Google Docs. That's the most beautiful part of this. Copy it to Google Docs. Now I open my Google Docs. I have written something and it will directly be copied into my Google Docs. So it is that you are just typing something, writing something, and you can export it directly to Google Docs. Now, coming back to here. Panna ma'am, you want to add on till here? Anything? Panna ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes,
Did
ma'am,
I?
please.
Yeah. As a collaborator, I was just adding it. It came up here.
Okay. So, ma'am has written hi. Yes?
Yeah. And another thing is like when you go to Gmail, and from there, if you want to open, you open a keep. Shall I
I'll
share my
just,
screen or you? Yeah. You
I'll,
go ahead.
I'll just open my inbox. You want to say now? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, this is,
Yeah. Open keep,
yeah,
and yeah. Now, just go on to Dr. Varya's invitation, the second email.
this invitation.
Yeah. Yes. Now open here a new note
Yes,
and just write there Dr. Varya's session.
yeah,
And can you see here this email, the complete invitation has been attached in this note as already. So automatically it is saved in your note, and in the same note you can give a reminder. So when the session is there, it will pop up, and directly you don't have to search that mail again. You can directly go from here to that mail and go for the session.
this,
Yeah.
this is
Done.
there and
Yeah.
then done.
Yeah.
So the
First.
mail will pop up
Mm,
as
mm,
this. Yes,
yes. Done.
yes,
So when you go on key, any invitation is there directly in your Gmail, you can just do connect it with your Keep, and it is already saved in your Keep directly.
yes.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Then you can, there are certain more settings like we can edit our labels. Others I have already told you. You can, if you want to rename label, you can, sorry, yeah. From here, edit labels option, you can rename your label. If I want to write it as class 10th, let's suppose, so I can rename my label. I can delete any label, delete note if I want to delete any note. Let's suppose I want to delete, so it will come to the trash folder, and trash will remain here till 7 days. From here, you can again restore it, otherwise, it will be removed from your trash after 7 days. Then we have an archive folder. Let's suppose I have want to make an, sorry, archive option is not appearing. Archive.
Ma'am, it's there
Panam,
in the.
can you share?
Yeah.
Uh,
Archive is here. See, besides the image option.
yeah,
Yeah.
this.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes.
So this is archive, and from here also you can restore it, or otherwise you can. like remove it permanently.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Then we have certain settings here. We can enable the dark theme to make it more attractive. We can just, it's just to, we can have it, but dark theme means just it is black. Yes, that's the only theme we have till now, but yes, definitely more, with more settings it can come. Yes. So I just don't like that dark theme, so I won't even put it. Fine. Yes, Panna ma'am, please go ahead.
So shall I share my screen?
Ha, you share ma'am, please.
Okay.
I have stopped sharing ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Kindly forgive me because I am little unwell. I'll keep my video off, please.
It's okay, Panna ma'am.
Yes. So, as ma'am said, what we can do with Keep is like many things. As I said about that, you already understood that you can go from here and I'll open my Keep here. 1 minute. So, if you have any picture, hello, ma'am.
Yes, 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 ma'am.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Yeah, yeah. Suppose this is my image, right? So similarly, if I want some image here. Suppose I don't, yeah. Uh, Birthday wishes, okay. Suppose I want this this to grab in my uh, notification in my Keep. So what I can do is say here directly it is there. Google Keep Chrome extension. I'll talk about it later. First, let me download it and upload the image. How it appears, I'll show you that. So suppose this is my note, birthday wishes, and I want to upload this image. Now suppose like this is just an example, but any image, suppose you are traveling and you have just note down some important note or some important address which you want to go ahead, and if you are forgetting, what you can do is just click a photo from your mobile, grab it into the Keep, and then if you want to like make a reminder of it, what you can do is you can go to this three dots and grab image text. If I do this, if you can see, the complete image text is already here. Can you see happy birthday? Hope you are. So this is how you can grab the image text from here. Suppose I want to copy this to Google Doc. I can do that. Go ahead and it will be copied into the Google Doc. Mm. Automatically it is saved in my document wherein I can means directly from Keep. If I have written some notes, some important notes, or some images, some important headings, whatever, I can directly grab it and transfer it into my document as live. So that is another way of using Keep. Now, next one is, as I said, ma'am has talked about collaborator, reminder, colors, everything. When you see these three dots, you can make a copy also of your note if you want to. So you can do that even. You can undo, you can redo, whatever you want. If you're using your mobile phone, I will just do a quick thing uh, there. 1 minute. So suppose I am traveling and I am unable to type anything. I don't have time to type. So what I can do is I can just click on my speaker in Google Keep. Hello everyone, and it is automatically, see, you can see here, this is automatically saved as my speaker on my speaker in Google Keep. Whatever I was typing, you can see here, see, and you can play it. So you can download this audio, you can send a voice message through Keep to your colleague or whoever you want. Suppose you are unable to type and you want to send a quick message, you can, this is available in your mobile app, but it is connected with your uh, uh, like everywhere you can go with Keep. So it is wonderful thing, so you can directly go there and do it. Another thing is, in mobile phone there are other beautiful colors also. Here we have less options. Simple, these are the simple options, but if you go from here in mobile app, you have different options. Now another feature of Google Keep is, if you are using Google Keep as your Chrome extension. Now this is my Chrome extension, if you can see, right? So as soon as I click wherever on whichever page I am, that will be automatically saved in my Keep note, and it will be saved, and I can put here the label as well. 1 minute, I will show you with another. Suppose I am watching this video, American literature. I'll just switch off the audio. Suppose I'm watching this and I felt that this is very interesting for my students. So I now, driving questions. I want to write here some notes about it. Driving questions. Sorry. Driving questions. And you can write whatever the notes you want. Like suppose some notes are there, you are continuously watching the video, you can jot down, like usually we do, we watch something and we keep on writing the notes. So that we can do, add here a title as new video for grade 12 English. Suppose I'm writing that, and I can add this as a label also. I can put it in a new label as English grade 12 and create. So directly from this website, my note is added and it is there saved in Google Keep. If you can see here, can you see this with the video? With the video link and the notes, whatever I have done, it is entered in this with the video as well. It is there in my Keep note. So as soon as I want to show in my class, I want to share some link, immediately I can share. I don't have to search for it again and again. So this is one thing. Similarly, any website also, you can, if you are going on any website and if you click on Keep, that website also, the things are saved in your Keep, and you just close it and it is saved automatically. So this is how Chrome extension also works wonderfully. Yes ma'am, anything else now?
Wow, thank you, ma'am. That's wonderful. I hope that would help most of the teachers at least. Yes, and like we are having less of time and much of work. So thank you, ma'am. Just I want to ask any questions still here. Anything which you want to ask or anything?
Yeah, any questions? Any audience from audience?
Anything? No? No questions today? What happened? Oh. So that is what ma'am has said that first of all, the audio, like this recording voice version is in mobile app, first thing,
Uh,
which I wanted to remind like this. And the second thing is that these features like whatever ma'am has said about the browsing features, so that is you open, first of all you have to install the keep uh, extension from the web store, and after that you can just have your any website open. With that website open, click on the keep and then it will be recorded. Yes
yeah.
ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Yes, and
With the
that's
Chrome
ma'am said
extension.
with the Chrome extension. Yes, we have to add on the Chrome extension.
Yes, from the
Yes,
web browser, Chrome web
yes,
browser.
Chrome web browser. So I think Panna ma'am, we have covered everything
Yeah, uh,
of keep because it's a little like not very lengthy topic.
yeah.
So
But yes, you can do wonderful things with Keep. And believe me, I am using this Keep since months, and
me too.
with mobile and even in the laptop, and it works amazingly wherever you want. Even like as I said, the picture is grabbed directly, so
Hmm.
that is wonderful thing which is which you can do it with the mobile app. Suppose you are out and you want to just take some uh, address some from somewhere, or you have seen some wonderful quote or something, whatever you loved it, you can just click the photograph from and save it in your keep there directly, and it is automatically saved as a text as well. So that is the wonderful thing which is can use as keep. Any questions from audience?
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, good evening. Yes, yes, please.
I want to ask to you both are no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, sure.
On that time in March month also Reshma ma'am taken something level 1 level 2 exam classes are there. On that
Uh-huh.
time also I will try very well best, but laptop is not there. Then we not do anything in mobile, no?
No, ma'am. Laptop is like, yeah,
That is compulsory.
it is a must,
That only.
because
Whatever it
there are
let
many features which are like you cannot go ahead with mobile, because here you have to open multiple windows and work with that. So that is the most important thing where you need a laptop. A
okay.
desktop is also okay if you have that.
Okay. Okay, that only I want to. You, whatever classes we attend very well, we understood, but we can't do anything in laptop. That's only.
Hmm.
See, we can do very limited work from a phone. It's not that you cannot do anything.
Yes,
But yes, the features which are available in laptop, it cannot replace. Like
yes,
a phone cannot replace a laptop or
yes,
a desktop.
yes,
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 definitely. Because definitely features depends on the like we are having a phone, and if we'll compare it with the costing of a laptop,
yes,
then also it's there. Then in a phone there are limited features, because we have to understand one thing here why it is so. We have to understand, I'm not saying that phones are not coming costly, but the prime purpose of phone is to call somebody. The first and the foremost purpose of phone is to call. These
yes.
are the additional things which have been added on as the technology is advancing.
Okay.
So what a laptop can do, a phone cannot do. But yes, we cannot say ki we cannot work through if for sometimes we don't have a laptop. Like every time, uh, every place we cannot carry our laptops.
Yes,
So
yes,
at least these small apps, if which we have already installed in our phone, so that will add on to our work.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes,
No,
Like
but
if you can install docs, if you can install, so you can have
mm,
it. And the beautiful part of Android phones is it's connected with our Gmail IDs.
yes,
mm,
yes, yes, yes,
Yes. So whatever you are working in a laptop or a desktop with your Gmail ID, it automatically comes up here. I have inserted on my lap through my laptop. I have like inserted some image, etc. So when I'll open at my phone, so that, because that phone is also attached with my that Gmail ID, so that
yes,
my image, I do not have to work again on my phone.
yes, yes,
no,
So
especially you if you're looking up for level 1, level 2, then this is must, because there then only you will be able to give your exams and everything. You cannot be able to do that on phone. Otherwise, work that you can manage with phone.
okay, okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome.
So I think from our side
Please,
it's
please
over.
fill
I'm
up
just,
the
yes, I'm
feedback
just
form,
posting. I'm
everyone.
just posting the feedback form. I'm just posting. Just give me a minute to. I'm posting the feedback form.
And ma'am, share it in the group as well.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. I will be sharing it. Just give me a minute.
Mm.
And
Yes, Farin, go ahead. What do you want to ask? Farhin,
yes, ma'am, please go ahead. And this is the attendance form, feedback form, where you will get your certificate of today's. And
Farhin Patel, you wanted to ask something.
I think she has raised her. Farheen Patel, please see if you want to ask anything, you can ask. Otherwise, teachers from our side, it's over. If you have any queries, you can ask. And yes, that's today's. Yes, ma'am, please ask. Please ask, ma'am. Farheen,
Yes,
ma'am, please ask. I think she's not either.
she's not listening or what?
No, ma'am, we are not able to hear you, ma'am.
Hmm.
We are not able to hear you. Ma'am, you can leave and join back again if that can help you. We are here. You can leave and join back again. Yeah. So I hope you are able to fill up the attendance form. Any query, anything, any sort of, since today we have time. So any other point also, if you want to discuss regarding this, we can discuss it.
Yes, Preeti ma'am.
Yes, can you hear me now, madam? Can
Yes,
you hear
yes,
me?
yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Hey, madam, in Google
Uh,
Meet, I just happened to see a new update, a text and emoji, and there's so many like settings. Where do we show that to children if we want to? You know, I don't know how to show it. You can type text, you can type emojis, and can send. But how? How
where?
do we show it?
In Google
In
Meet?
Google Meet. In Google Meet, yes.
Okay.
In my laptop, when I was working, there were contract, mirror, then, so many settings were there. And I happened to write a text and put an emoji, but it is not showing to the children. So I wanted to know how to do it.
Ma'am, I guess it would be like because in mine it is not showing. This is my personal one, so it must be shown only in the workspace Google domain, right? Which
Oh,
so are you using the school domain, school
yes,
ID?
I'm using the school domain.
So there you can see, ma'am. You Mukta ma'am, you can see if you are using the school domain.
Right now actually I'm from my personal, but
Uh,
on the top actually it appears, yes, it is appearing emoji etc. Now what I think ma'am's question is how we can show it to the students.
Yes, but it's a new update, I think. So many settings are there, colors and
Yes,
background
yes,
and
yes. Background color I'm using. Background color definitely I'm using it. So
how
not
to
from my
show.
personal domain, but actually, let me see if I can join from my school ID. Just wait.
Okay. So by the time
Please, can you share the Google Form link again because I left the class, so I
Yeah,
am
yeah,
not
sure,
able.
sure. Yes, sure, sure, sure. Yes, this is the form.
Preeti
Yeah,
ma'am
thank
wanted
you.
to ask something.
Yes, Preeti ma'am, please go ahead. Till the time, I'm just looking if I can
Hello,
join from.
hello, ma'am. Yeah, this is
Yes.
Preeti from Mumbai. Just I wanted to know more about this education for Google. What is the level one, level two, and how? Like, what is the? I didn't know more about it.
It's a Google certified educators examination wherein you complete level 1 and you get the certificate as Google certified educator level 1, and then again it is second level, and when both are given you get a certificate as Google educator, Google certified educator. From Google itself you get this certificate which is valid for 3 years, and that is like you can use that badge and the certificate in your profile as well. It adds as a value to it, to your profile. So it's a wonderful thing.
So need, ma'am. So need to do some training for that.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So yes, level 1 and level 2, of course, I, there is a disturbance something. You can hear, ma'am?
Yes, Prerna ma'am. Yes, it's clearly audible.
Yeah. So, Priti ma'am, I'll solve your query. It's not that compulsory that you go under the training and then only you can give the exam, but trainings help, of course, helps you to go ahead step by step. And these trainings are usually free, ma'am. Those are not paid versions. And sometimes, like recently, we had level 2 boot camp, which was completely free, 3 days level boot camp. And in near future also, like we would be having certain boot camps, so you can go ahead, join that, which is free of cost, and then go for your examination. And there you can directly
Yes,
also give the exam, but then that is like you have to go for login. It is a different little process. With the link you can go ahead and then log in, go under the training, which is the modules are there, 11 modules are there which are given on the site. You do those modules and then do. But I would suggest trainings are very important because that really helps you. Mm.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for your answer,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Basically, the point is for level one, ma'am. I'm not able to join it. You can pin me, and like I can join and show it from my account. You just WhatsApp me, and I will definitely help you out. You are
Okay.
on my WhatsApp group, DG
Uh,
Ghaziman.
yes, I think I have to check, ma'am.
You
Okay,
take you jot down my number, and you can
okay,
just pin me up, and
okay.
there I'll definitely help you out. I'm sorry because
It's
actually
okay.
now it's there that we work on different Chrome tabs, and different profiles are there, so I'm not able to log in from my
Okay, no
school
problem.
ID with
Thank you
this,
so
but
much.
I'll
Thank you.
definitely
Thank
help you
you.
out in this.
Thank you so
and
much.
and for the levels one, like the examination which Panama was already telling you about, it's the like the study material is free of cost available in Google. You just have to pay for your exam fees. That's directly to the Google. You can prepare on your own also, study on your own also, but it's better if you are, because that is focused. If you are attending any of the boot camps or sessions of like we are there, or we are not taking the full sessions, but there are abhi just now last week, that's why we don't have the sessions of our separate sessions, because we have organized the trainers have organized the GEG boot camps for level 2, and then prior to that level 1 boot camps was there, in which everything is covered practically, actually, the teachers, the trainers, and that was free of cost basically. So recordings are there, you can see the recording any time. If you feel any problem, you can get back to any of the leaders and ask your queries. So that is about level 1 and level 2 examinations. And
Ma'am, thank you. Thank
thank
you
you,
very much for your
thank
help.
you, thank you, and thanks for today's session. And we got some time to at least discuss something extra. That was great. Yes. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining.
Bye, everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye bye, Panna ma'am, and take care.
Yeah, man.